Right? Piercings? Good form of torture.
No llores, mija, no llores.
Okay. One more time.
It's going on YouTube. Oh my god.
You wanted this.
Well, the right side always hurts worse.
1, 2. Go ahead and take a look. I'm gonna give you some medicine and it'll help the stinging a little bit.
I know she wants a lollipop.
You can have a lollipop. You were brave.
The last people said no because she was too old.
What?
Yeah.
Lame.
They're like, it's for our little kids.
Heck. I love lollipops. I let anybody have one.
Taylor, quit. You cried. That was funny.
Like them?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're just
Can
gonna
I see
use
your
the
eyes?
stinging
Oh, they were
solution
trying.
at
Yeah,
least
buddy.
3 times a day before you do anything, after you do anything, even after a shower because shampoo and stuff. You're gonna want to rotate them in the mornings when you first wake up and before you go to bed. And don't squeeze them.